Hello guys, if JD controller app not working today or creating issues, this video is for you because in this video I will tell you how to fix JD controller app not opening or not working problem. So first of all, go to the settings of your mobile phone and then go to apps and notifications and then tap on apps and search for JD controller and open it. Now tap on storage option and clear the cache and the data. Now go back and force stop the application, and after that tap on Google Play Store if you are using Android, and if you are iPhone user you can use app. You should have to use App Store, and here search for JD controller and then search it, and here open it and update it here. If this not work, then completely uninstall the app and reinstall it again. This will fix your problem. So hope this will help. Thanks, goodbye.